Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ava's Vlogs are for Less with me, Avanita. Do you guys want to see how I replicate a Wayfair Bart-Cart into something amazing with my idea? Well, not my idea, but with my DIY style. Guys, stick with me and I will show you how. Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel with me, Avanita. In my video today, I want to show you how I replicated a Wayfair Bart-Cart that cost 300 and something pounds to mine that only cost just 30 pounds. So here I have some hula hoops and I have some leftover plywood from last week, and I just cut them to size, sand them down, and just start getting ready to attach them onto the hula hoops. So I started off by installing the wheels on the bottom. You will notice I have 4 different wheels. I wasn't paying attention when I picked these up in Wilco, and I ended up getting 3 of the ones that I didn't need to get and 1 of the ones I did need to get. But anyway, they worked well, so I just worked with it. The Bart-Cart on Wayfair is a little bit taller, but then once I measured the size of the hula hoop, it was so tall I didn't want it to be over 75 centimeters. It's already over 75, so I just decided not to put the legs on. So I just went ahead, as I said, and just put the wheels on because it was already too tall and I didn't want it to be too tall, so I didn't copy that bit off the bottom. And then there we have like a shriveled Bart-Cart already. So I just took one of the hula hoops. I got these hula hoops from Mighty Pound. Yes, Mighty Pound. And they were £1. I got them from Wood Green, and I got 2. So I just took one of them, and then my little helper Trayvon is helping me just to hold it in place until I can use my impact driver and then just attach it to the plywood. So you just want to be careful not to apply too much pressure because the hula hoop is quite soft, and then the plywood as well is quite soft. You will see further along in the video what I'm talking about. I wasn't paying attention enough in terms of applying the pressure, and I just punctured the hula hoop and then it just leave that dent in it. Either way, I covered it up, but then you will see what I'm talking about. But guys, please don't make this mistake that I've made. So if you guys want to try it, just be gentle when you apply those screws into the hula hoops. I flipped it over and did the same thing for the next side with the other hula hoop. You notice there's 2 different color hula hoops, but they're the same size, they just didn't have the same color. Guys, when I checked this Bart-Cart out, it was so expensive, and I'm thinking, why do I need to get something that expensive? But anyway, this is what it looks like after I finished attaching the 2 hula hoops to the side, and then I just add some they call reinforcement. Yeah, I just had some reinforcement to it so that it wouldn't fall off or it wouldn't wobble once I started adding stuff on it. And then this is what it looks like after I'd finished the first leg of it, and I'm really impressed with myself. I'm really pleased. Give me a thumbs up, guys, if you think I've done good enough already. I mean, it started looking really great, so I'm happy, very happy. And then I got this metallic gold paint from Wilco. It was £5, and it's quite good. Really good. Dry time is 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes, and I was really pleased with the result. Really pleased with the result. So I just took my Bart-Cart outside and then I just started painting it. In total, I gave the Bart-Cart 6 coats of paint because the plywood is so dry and the paint is quite thin, so you have to paint it long enough to let it be, good enough to look like you've painted it. I mean, not that the paint isn't good, it's just that it's quite thin, and I want it to look really gold. then this is what it looks like after I finish it, and I really like it. At first I didn't want to paint the shelves because I wanted to add a different color, but then after I had the color I didn't like it, so I just went ahead, let it dry, and then just went ahead with that gold paint again and just painted the whole thing gold, and it really looks better to me. What I should have done is show you guys what I did with the other paint, but I didn't make a video because I was testing it before. But yeah, this is what it looks like after I've left it to dry outside for an hour, and then I just bring it in to this area where I'm going to start decorating it. So exactly where I said to you guys that I've put the impact driver, too much pressure on the impact driver, so I'm just going around with some gems just to cover the sections that I've damaged. Not all of it is damaged, I just do it just to kind of give it a little bit of you know, eye turn away. But yeah, I just went ahead and just start decorating. Just bear with me because I'm going in stuff, I'm taking out stuff, putting back stuff, moving stuff. But yeah, after all, I did enjoy, or I did love the result. It was really nice. I mean, I didn't want to add too much stuff onto it, so I'm happy with what I've added onto it. Maybe it's still a bit too much, and to be honest with you, I may take out some of the stuff. So if you guys think it's too much, just comment below and let me know. But either way, I will be taking out some. But guys, just let me know what you think you would have taken out, what you think you would have put on, and then just let me know. And then this is what it looks like after I've added some stuff. These photos, I actually got them from Mighty Pound as well. They were £1, yeah, and I really like them. And as I said to you, I rearranged a lot of stuff, so everything as to how I had it before, I just move it around, and it looks really nice. I'm quite impressed with myself. These gold and black glass, I got them from Mighty Pound as well. They were £1. All these alcohols are all stuff that I have at home. I don't drink. My only drink is my Echo Phones. So all these alcohols that I have are just for people that come around because I don't really drink. But anyway, I'm really happy with the result that I've got. Really happy. And then I just put up my signboard. I'm in love with it. It's so awesome. Guys, please check out my other DIY video listed in the description box below, or check out my playlist and watch any of my video. Comment, like, and share with your family and friends. And please guys, let me know what you think of this replicated Wayfair Bart-Cart. Tell me what you think. You know, tell me if there's something that I should have done or something that I shouldn't have done. Just let me know in the comment box below, guys. I really appreciate it. And come on, give me a like if you think I've done very well. Give me a comment if you think I've done very well, and share if you think I've done very well, right? So guys, thank you so much for, you know, checking out with me today, and I'll see you next week.